Working with Excel data imports and received an IQY query file. These define web queries that pull live data into spreadsheets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Excel Internet query files safely while watching out for security risks. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. An IQY file is a simple text file used by Microsoft Excel to retrieve data from the internet. When a user opens it, Excel executes the query defined within the file, connecting to a specified URL to pull data directly into a worksheet. Users often encounter these for updating stock prices, financial data, or other web-based information. The IQY format is a plain text file containing a URL and potentially other parameters. This simple, human-readable design was chosen for its ease of creation and sharing. However, this simplicity is also a security risk, as a malicious URL can be embedded to exploit vulnerabilities or download malware when the query is executed by Excel. Microsoft Excel is the standard set by Microsoft Corporation for accessing the IQY format. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows does not interpret code natively, so scripts rely on the right engine to run. Your first step towards recovery. Right-click the IQY file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Excel is an option, select it first. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. Compatibility is key. If your IQY file isn't cooperating, don't worry. This particular IQY file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, opening cautiously in Excel. Exercise extreme caution with IQY files from untrusted sources, as they have been used in malware campaigns. Only open files from trusted sources within Microsoft Excel using File then Open. Excel will prompt for permission to enable the data connection before fetching content from the specified URL. Next, inspecting as text. Open the IQY file in Notepad or any text editor before executing it in Excel to inspect the URL and query parameters. Verify the destination URL is legitimate and trusted. This security check prevents accidental connection to malicious servers that may exploit Excel vulnerabilities or steal sensitive information. Finally, disabling web queries. Configure Excel security settings to disable or restrict IQY file execution if you don't actively use web queries. Navigate to File then Options, then Trust Center, and adjust external content settings. This protective measure prevents IQY-based attacks while still allowing manual import of trusted data sources when needed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.